Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your business data with FreshBooks easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your FreshBooks account and log in. Navigate to the dashboard, where you'll find various options. Locate the settings icon, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the settings icon to access your account settings. In the settings menu, look for the security tab. Select the security tab to view your security options. Enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of protection. Follow the prompts to link your phone or authentication app. Ensure your password is strong and unique by using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Regularly update your password at least every 6 months. Check your user access settings if you have a team working with you. Limit access to sensitive information to only those who need it. Review the audit log feature to monitor account activity. Regularly back up your data by exporting necessary reports. Explore any data encryption options available within FreshBooks. Familiarize yourself with FreshBooks data breach policy in case of emergencies. Stay informed about any updates or new security features FreshBooks may offer. Make a habit of reviewing your security settings every few months. Implement these steps to ensure your business data remains secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.